Hi everyone, welcome to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel. I'm going to show how to make cabbage vada in today's recipe. Cabbage is the most commonly found vegetable. You can make such a delicious recipe out of cabbage. Now let's see how to make that wonderful dish. What are all the ingredients required? Now make a list of the ingredients which are shown in the video. Firstly, I've taken a mixing bowl and I've added the finely chopped cabbage and then add the finely chopped coriander leaves. Then add a pinch of salt according to your taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of jeera. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Now mix it well. After you mix, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. If you want a bit more spicy, then you can add another spoon. Totally 2 spoons of red chili powder I've added. Then add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and mix it well. After you mix all the ingredients, now it's time to add water. You have to mix all the ingredients with the water. You have to make a ball out of it, like you have to make a dough. Don't put more water, put how much ever it's required to make a thick dough. After you get this kind of consistency, you have to add suji or rava. Now it's time to fry the vada, and therefore you need to on the stove and keep a pan. Allow it to heat and then add oil as much as it's required. Now from the dough which you have made, you have to make small patties like that. You can just make a ball out of that dough and then pat it on your palm. Let it be small size. Make several patties and add one by one. Allow the patties to fry. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes on one side and then you have to turn it over. Now it's time to turn over the patties. Once you turn over the patties, you have to leave it to fry for another 2 to 5 minutes on other side. I hope you can all hear the chitter chatter sound which is coming from the frying of vada. Now it's fried correctly, and therefore you have to remove it from the frying pan and keep it aside on a plate. You can even put a tissue paper and then put the fried patties so that it can absorb all the extra oil which is there in the vada. Now I'm adding another set of vada into the frying pan. Now my second set of cabbage vada is done, and therefore I'll take a small plate and then I'll arrange all the patties. After arranging, it's now ready to eat. Please serve it with a sauce so that you can have a delicious taste. I hope you all enjoyed today's meal. See, now you can when you open the cabbage vada, you can see all the cabbages, the coriander, the chilies, everything. It's so crispy and crunchy. It was very beautiful to see, as well as it was delicious to taste. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you have learned some new recipe. I request everyone to please subscribe to my Delicious Food Fusion channel. I've seen many of you watching my videos without subscribing, so I kindly request everyone to please subscribe to my channel and then watch the video. Click on the bell button for getting the regular updates. Please like, share and comment. Tell me what you felt by doing this wonderful recipe. Please try it at home and let me know how it came. Thank you.